everyone, thanks for joining me again. Lorenzo here, and welcome back. I'm going to take you to some of the coolest and best coffee shops in Bangkok. You gotta know this about Bangkok. The coffee house game here is super strong. There are more coffee shops than you can shake a stick at. So stay tuned, get your coffee cups ready, and let's go see what these places are all about. Alright, so one of the places I wanted to show you is actually not one coffee shop, but about a half dozen coffee shops. And the great part about it, it's a little bit of a hidden gem. So it's at the very top floor of Central Embassy Mall. I know what you say, mall, whatever. This place is beautiful and the views are fantastic. If you really want to go for it and get like your total immersion experience, they even have a co-working spot in a particular corner, and I'll show you in a little bit. But this place is beautiful. Really what it's like, it's a massive bookstore with a bunch of different shops, like really high end, and just spectacular views. So let me show you around for a little bit, and the hardest part the hardest decision you're gonna make is which one to go. I think so as you can see, B-Story has an all year, all Christmas, all the time type vibe. It's a beautiful place. They have a really beautiful upstairs as well too. So, you know, you want to come here, spend a little time. The food is tremendous, but that's not the main reason I brought you here today. That's just a second away. All right, this is why I brought you here. We are here at Record Coffee, and you must give this place a try. Not only do they have one of my favorite things, which is the manual pressed espresso machines, but this place, just in the name, record, vinyl records. The music list here is off the charts. Staff super friendly, and the drinks, oh, you definitely have to try the cacao dirty drink. My lord, it is deliciousness. So let's see what the place is all about. Let's go. Thanks again for joining me. That was my favorite coffee shops in Bangkok. Again, this city is incredible. Their coffee scene is incredible. I mean, look at this. You can't go wrong. I hope you guys visit these places. You're gonna love them. Life with Lorenzo. See you next time.